Okay guys, I'm just making the small video for the new people who have joined My Paying Ads and who would be purchasing ad packs and who would start their journey, with My Paying Ads. It's simple guys, you just have to log in, click 10 ads and buy ad pack. I'll show you how to start and what to do, and always be there for, with you guys to help you. So don't worry about anything guys. This is just a brief video. Okay, so this is the main page of My Paying Ads. Okay, I've already saved it here, so I don't have to type in every day. So you can do that also. I use Firefox. Okay, browser mypayingads.com. Login. The couple of links here: home, details, stats, news, FAQs, testimonials, support. You can yourself go through all these links. If you have any question, you can ask me. When we press login from here, this is to go to the Facebook and the Twitter pages of My Paying Ads. Enter the captcha code 3046. Simple. I log in. Once I log in, it says me logged in successfully, and this will take me to the login page where you'll see an advertisement being played. The person, it's a 19-second advertisement. Once it's played, only then you can go to the other page, guys. You can go to the main page of My Paying Ads. Okay, now this is going to play for 19 seconds. Okay, guys. Now this is the login ad, or you can say the the opening ad. Before you go to the main page, before you go to the members overview, you will have to see this ad. Somebody is paying My Paying Ads, for My Paying Ads to run their ad in the login page. So this is how these companies they make money, and this is how they share some portion of the profit with us, guys. Okay, so we just have to buy advertising packages, click 10 ads and get paid. Simple. No MLM, multi-level marketing, no pyramid scheme, no chain. There's no selling required. You don't have to refer anyone to make money. You just have to click 10 ads, buy advertising packages, and basically that's all. Now once that ad is played for 19 seconds, you'll get these two links here. Click here to open the site of a new page, new window. That's up to you if you want to do that. It's totally up to you. Continue to My Paying Ads. This is what I will do. This is a banner ad. This is again a banner ad. So this is how My Paying Ads and all the revenue sharing companies, advertising companies make money, guys. These people are paying My Paying Ads to run their ads, in their main page, guys. I'll show you. There'll be more banner ads you'll see later on in My Paying Ads. Okay, continue to My Paying Ads. I'll show you the members overview page, how it looks, and I'll just take you through to the take you through some of the important links that you have to make sure you basically visit them once you log in yourself. You can click ads to your laptop, desktop, or even your phone, Android, iPhone, anyone. It's really simple, guys. I'm sorry, this is like taking some time. My Wi-Fi is running a bit slow today. Okay, here we are at the members overview. Guys, please make sure you have a pen and paper. Make notes, and it's really important, and watch this video carefully. I'll show you some of the main links that we have to keep in mind. This is again a banner ad. Okay, and you throughout the website you'll see these ads. These are again banner ads. Okay, these are all banner ads. Now start surfing is one way where you can go and click 10 ads. You will see here in the right side, you on surf free mode. I still have 1 hour and 15 minutes left to click my 10 ads. You can click 10 ads from here also. If you click here, it will take you to the page where you can click 10 ads, or you can just start surfing from here. This is the main page. My name is Hitesh Arora. This is my MPA ID. This is my referral link, guys. Okay, you will find your referral links in your members overview page. Elixir ranking of My Paying Ads is 8616. Then these are some of the, this is my commission balance. I've earned 2.50 in USD till now. Last night it was around 15 USD. I've already bought ad packs last night. Basically I work 24 hours on these websites. I work with my paying ads, my advertising page, and Zuko. So I'm always online, and I'm buy shares whenever I get money, in my commission balance or in my earning balance. This is my earning balance, this is my commission balance. My earning balance right now is 18.85. Last night it was around 30 US dollars, and I've already bought shares, okay, of it. But I'll show you how to buy shares. These are different payment processes, guys. I work in Payza. There's Solid Trust Pay, Perfect Money, Bitcoin, PayPal. There's a guy in my team who has Bitcoin, so whenever he purchases shares through Bitcoin, I get paid in commission in Bitcoin. And again, in earning, I have Payza earning and Bitcoin earning. Last night this Bitcoin earning was around $10. I've already bought shares with it, so this is the remaining balance right now. So each day, every day throughout the day, I get paid. So this amount basically increases. Right now it's 2.50. If I log in after 1 hour, it'd be like $4, because everybody buys shares. Don't worry about repurchase value, it's not for you guys. Okay, and purchase ad pack, start surfing, account activity, profile, guys. Okay, this is important. Once you've logged in, make sure you go to the profile page, okay, through account activity. Okay, now this is have my username, my sponsor ID. You can put your image here if you want, my email, first name, last name, and these are the different payment processes, guys. Payza, Solid Trust Pay, Perfect Money, Coin Payment, PayPal, all these papers. I have Coin Payment. This is my Coin Payment ID. I have my Solid Trust Pay and my Payza. Payza is your email address, which you put, India, phone number, all these things. These are again banner ads, guys. Look, these are all the banner ads, guys. My Bing ads, is getting paid for people to put these banner ads, guys. This is how they make money, guys, and they're like 1,73,000 people, guys. So imagine these companies are making, what kind of profit they're making, and this is again a banner ad. You can click these ads if you want. It's totally up to you. We go to the overview. Start surfing. The main thing, how we click 10 ads. We click start surfing, or you can click from here. Okay. Once you click that, it will take you to the advertisement page. Now this ad is going to play for 19 seconds. This is the ad. This is playing. You have these links here, back to the account, report a site, click here to open the site in a new page. Okay, once this ad is complete, I'll show you. There's only 3, 2, 1. Okay, this ad is complete now. You see here, you have to click 0 ads in this session. Once I, click the identical image to validate this site view, I click this. Okay, this will take me to the next ad, and now you see here you have clicked 1 ad. So this is how we do that, guys. Okay, I'll just do that later on. I'm just doing this to show you guys how to do this. Okay, back to the account. Now since you guys are new, and I'm sure you guys don't have any banner ad to place in my paying ads, guys, because it's an advertising platform, guys. To buy ad packs, we have to place a banner ad. So what you can do is you can place my paying ads banner ad, okay, to start your journey with my paying ads, and you can start. That's the only way you can buy advertising packages. You have to place a banner ad. I'll show you how you place a banner ad. Okay, guys, make a note of all this, guys. It's really simple. You might find it a bit confusing in the start, but you'll get used to it. Don't worry. Once you place a banner ad, you can just buy advertising packages, and I'll show you how we do that. Okay, since you guys don't have any banner ad to place on, okay, so what I would suggest you is you go to members tool, advertising banner ads. Okay, keep a notepad open. Okay, come here, 1 second. Choose 468 by 80. Okay. One second, guys. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. You go to promotional tools guys, not sorry advertisement, you go to promotional tools where you click promotional banners. Okay, sorry guys. So these are the banners guys. Okay, you can choose any banner here. It will say show code. Okay, so I usually prefer 46 by 60 banner ad. These are the banner ads you can use to promote in your other websites if you have any other website. But for now, since you're new, you don't have any banner ad, you need a banner ad to place, to buy advertising packages. So you come here, it says show code, copy this, this is your banner URL, this is your destination URL, which is your referral link guys. Okay, so if somebody clicks that link, it will take them to your referral link guys. If they sign up, they'll be under you. Okay, so this is how the banner would look like. Okay, now you've done that, you go to purchase ad packs. I already have a couple of banners running here guys. You can see ad clicks, buy ad packs. Okay, so for you guys, you have to choose set up a new banner ad. Okay, okay, it says you cannot add more than 5 banners in the system. Sorry guys, because I already have 5 banner ads, I cannot, basically, let me see. Okay, now I cannot click that, but I'll explain you that. You just have to click there. There you'll have the option. You can give any title to your banner ad, my paying ads. It will ask you for the banner URL, your destination URL. You just click that. Once the banner is added, you come here. Okay, and then you choose buy advertising packages. Okay, so I've already bought, I've completed level 1. I've got 100 shares at level 1, and level 2, I've got 119 shares at the moment guys. Okay, so you will have to, okay, for example, if I buy a $10 share, okay, again you have to click 3 banner ads below in order to proceed further guys, because it's an advertising company. Every time we do something, we have to click banner ads. For example, somebody has placed this ad, I click that ad, you'll see 1 banner ad click, then again I click this ad, come back, you'll see 2 banner ads click, I click this ad, you'll see somebody, 3 banner ads click. Okay, fine. Now these are the ads which is running. They're different ads. People have placed their own ads here guys. Okay, now I come here. Okay guys, now these are for the new guys. You have to choose your payment processor here, Payza. You'll be having money in your Payza account. Okay, and you choose here processor, and you choose Payza. Okay, and you will have to click this agree in terms and conditions. Terms and conditions. Put whatever banner ads if you're buying. It depends on how much money you have in your Payza account, and I'll guide you through that. What to do. Okay, so you just put the amount of ad packs you want to buy at level 1. You will start with level 1 basically. Okay, so just put anything guys, 100 shares, whatever. So, and you just pay now. Okay, and that's all guys. If you have any other problem, I'll obviously speak to you guys and let you know. Okay, thank you guys.